Lift the rear section so the lip of the rear overlaps the front half lip, then push down firmly on both sides. Now close the latches on both sides. They should close with a firm, satisfying click. If you're having to force them, stop. Adjust the nut to get the right tension. Too loose, tighten it up. Too tight, back it off slightly. Insert the safety pin through the latch, behind the second notch. Your stadium chair operates on a sliding rail system, which means you can easily adjust it for your height and leg length. Loosen the front adjustment knobs. Push the sliders all the way to the front of the rails on both sides. Then align the front screw knobs with the sliders and secure them. Installing the fishing rod holder. Choose your preferred side and position. Align 2 of the accessory rail sliders beneath the rod base, then mount the 2 screws into the sliders. Insert the fishing rod holder into the base by opening it. Then close the slider to lock it in place. The propeller drive is the heart of the Raider. Screw the pedals into each side of the unit and extend the forward brace bar. The fin above the propeller may have been removed for transport. If so, it's a single screw to reinstall. Then screw the lock plate behind the hatch using the 4 screws provided and lock the propeller drive in place. There is a shim under the propeller drive lock. If you notice any side-to-side movement while pedaling, remove the shim for a tighter fit. Finally, push the propeller drive cover and cup holder into position. Clip the bungee cables on each side. Important tip, always remove the propeller drive before beaching the kayak. The rudder handle mounts to the left of the seat. Use the 2 supplied screws to secure it and make sure you leave it in the neutral position, handle parallel to the center line of the kayak. Take the rudder out of the cargo area. Thread the pin through the rear hole in the kayak. Insert the rudder security pin through the hole at the bottom of the rudder pin. For the lifting cable, thread the rudder rope through the main hole at the start of the rudder, down through the gap, around the right side, and through the hole at the top. Tie a knot. Unwind the butterfly nuts. Thread them through the plastic holes on either side of the rudder and tighten them up. Check the rudder is centered and adjust the wing nuts as needed. We recommend using Loctite for the rudder wing nuts and to secure any loose nuts and bolts before going on the water. Test by pulling the red ball to the right of the seat and lock the string in the V of the cleat to hold the rudder down. Each hull half is secured with a screw plug. Check these regularly to make sure they are tight and secure. Paddle assembly. Depress the button, join the 2 halves, and choose from 3 blade angle positions for your preferred paddling style. Done in seconds. We recommend using Loctite to secure all screws before heading on the water. And for maintenance, use a fresh wash on your kayak after each use. And use some marine grease on any moving parts once a month to ensure you get the most out of your real Yaks kayak.